It's my honor to let you know you've been nominated as our Employee of the Month for this month. So congratulations.
All right, thank you.
Here's what I hear. I hear those boots right behind us are your boots, and that they're worn down because you put so many miles on those boots, and they actually had them bronzed because you're always on the move, you're always willing to help, and you're always on call to make sure electrical, plumbing issues are taken care of in our schools for the sake of our kids.
On behalf of the board, I just want to thank you for the way that you partner with our campuses, for showing up and making sure that they are running efficiently and that our students have a safe learning environment. We appreciate your positive attitude and the way that you support our district. Thank you.
Thank you.
Taking my phone calls every time of the day, always got a smile on your face, always willing to chip in even when others need help. You are just phenomenal in everything that you do. You exemplify what we mean in facility services as far as servicing our students and our staff, man. And you're just a great guy all around. We really appreciate everything you do.
On behalf of EECU, we want to congratulate you for your hard work and dedication to the Arlington ISD school. So you get $50.
Thank you all. That's all I got.